Hey, this is Matt from Fundlet. One question I get asked a lot is how do I create products specifically for my fundraiser? Um, and there's a lot of reasons to do this. You might want to create branded products specifically for your fundraiser that apply only to a specific campaign, or you might just want to have a different pricing structure for your products that you sell in your campaign. So this is really easy to do. It's built directly into Shopify. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to products and I am going to go into an existing product. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. We'll just call this a unlisted product. Unlisted. All right. And so I'm going to duplicate it and just give it a second. Now that I have my unlisted product, what I want to do is instead of setting it to active, which will put it on your storefront, I'm going to set it to unlisted. And this is just accessible only by a direct link. Unlisted, it's a sellable product. It doesn't show up in search. It doesn't show up in collections. So it's great for a fundraiser product. So I'm going to hit save. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the application. And the one thing to be aware of unlisted products is they don't show up in camp or they don't show up by default in your collections. So what I'm going to do is go into, let's go to this test. Um, let's choose one of these test ones here. So let's choose test October 13th. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into more edit, more actions, and then hit edit campaign. And so if I have a collection associated with it, it's not going to show up in that collection. So what I want to do is go into products and hit add product. And I'm just going to search for unlisted. Um, this only works because I put unlisted in the title. So you're going to have to search for whatever you name the product. Click there and hit add. Now I have this product on my campaign and hit save. And so now I have a product that is specific for the fundraiser. It won't show up in searches. It won't show up in campaigns, but it is available as part of your fundraiser campaign. So that's how easy it is to use unlisted products within Shopify and Fundlet. Thank you.